Troy Kish at Cool Springs Eye Care in Franklin, Tennessee. Just going to discuss how to repair spring-hinged temples. Just to define what a spring hinge is, it's a little mechanism put on the temple that has a spring that allows the temple to move back and forward like this. Now the one that's off is this one, and you can see there's a little tiny hole, and we call that the barrel. Basically, we're going to stick the barrel into the hole of the frame. Now you notice whenever you do this that these holes will not line up. And the reason why the holes won't line up is because the spring is activated in the spring temple. So we have to use a special design screw that has a little point in it, sort of like a needle. And of course we're going to guide the needle through the hole and line up the holes and push the screw until it comes out of the back hole. Now what you're going to see come out is just the needle tip, and then of course we have to screw in the rest of the screw. And by that we're going to use a tabletop wonderful, and just keep turning until the screw finally seats. And these type of screws are designed to be broken right off. We just need a pair of needle nose pliers. You can grab the screw right at the tip and break it right off. And there you have it. Spring hinge repaired.